Instagram, obviously awesome. But Alex, should we be boosting our Instagram posts?
Don't boost them, run real ads. Like boosting and ads are different. So if you're on your app and you're saying, all right, I'm just going to put 25 bucks behind this, it may help, right? Like, but you can't really control the audience, right? So what I recommend is actually going behind Facebook Ads Manager, diving into actually creating an ad, tag it to that post, and control who you're targeting, because the reality is you know who your audience is, right? Like if you let Instagram do it, they're going to do their best, but it's all machine learning. So if you have an email list, you have a lookalike audience that's based off of past customers, target that audience, because those are going to be people that are going to engage and eventually purchase.
Bam. That's the money take right there. Don't boost your ads. Just put in your input. I love that, Alex. That's gas.
Take it.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.